Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you guys are wanting to play Stumble Guys, I can show you guys how exactly you can add your friends. With the new update, there's actually a friends tab in the main menu. So make sure you're in the main menu. As soon as you open your app, there is a button right there for friends. In the left side of the screen, click on that button. And now that you're here, you have three options. So first of all, you can add people through your Facebook. That's one thing. You can also share through your WhatsApp, the green button right there. And then there's a third orange button. If you click that button, you can go add that to other apps. So for example, you can give it to iMessage, you can give it to other messaging apps like Instagram or something. And then if you want to add somebody, you can click on the top right. When you click on the top right there, you're going to enter their name. So your friend is going to give you their name and you're going to be able to invite them. So for example, if somebody did try to invite me, I will click on the pending invites. And I will see. You can also see recommended friends by clicking the recommended friends button, and it might show you people who you might know. And that's basically the way to add friends. And when you're done, you can go ahead and leave, and you're going to be able to click on party on the right side. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and join a party or create a party. This is going to be basically where just a code where you and your friends are going to be able to join the same game. Thank you for watching.